Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 28th of May, 2022. It's just my weekly analysis video where we have a look at all the pairs I'm trading on the daily time frame. That's Forex charts using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. So we'll get into it. Doing this nice and early this morning, or this weekend, because I'm actually on the move. I'm in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, as most of you know. Later this morning, I'm heading to Thailand. So I've just got this video getting over and done with. Not sure if I'll get a chance over the weekend if I don't. So this will just be a quick video. If you do like the videos, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. Now let's have a look at the news ahead for the week. So this is the free Forex economic calendar from Forex Factory. It's in my local time, which won't change when I go to Thailand. Still the same time zone. Let's see, what do we got? Monday. This, like I said, this video is going to be pretty quick. No news Monday. Looks like there's a holiday in the US. I'm not sure what that one's for. Someone, no doubt I'll find out soon. Wednesday, I'm mainly looking at the high impact events, the red ones. So Treasury currency pulled out of the US on Wednesday. I'm not sure. GDP out of Australia. Canadian. This is probably a big one. First one for the week. Wednesday, the interest rates for Canada. So just be careful there. And in the US, we've got a couple of high impact events there. I'm not sure they're going to move the markets too much, but the Canadian interest rates will have some effect. OPEC meetings on Thursday, ADP non-farm employment change out of the US later that day, but that probably won't cause much havoc. And on Friday's the big one out of the US, non-farm payrolls or the employment numbers from the US. So that's a big mover too. So the big ones are probably Canadian interest rates and the US job reports or the unemployment numbers, etc. So that's it for the news. Now, where's my Word document? Now, when we look at the charts, you'll see lots of different lines, colors, etc., different indicators. Just have a read of this Word document. Explains what all the different colors and that mean, what everything means. So I'll just scroll down a little bit. You can read it. You can pause the video, read it. The main thing's the MACD pattern down the bottom of the charts. It's a zero lag MACD, so it oscillates around the zero level. So I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. That's the gist of it. So have a read of that. Oops, there we go. Like I said, I'm just going to race through this video pretty quick. I've got stuff to do and get organized. All right, let's get on to the charts, and if I can find them, that's probably the smart thing. Now, I use TradingView as my preferred analysis. Yeah, but I still do all my trading on actual MT4, MT5, but I use TradingView. And the good thing about TradingView, it will give me, on a Friday, it will tell me what's coming up on a Monday. So it'll present new trade signals on the close on a Friday, whereas MT4, MT5 don't do that. They do it on the open of the Monday. So it's a good thing. And I can tell you now, on my watch list on the right here, there's no new trade setups for Monday. So you'll see my watch list here. It's in alphabetical order. It's just a mixture of a few pairs, not a full list. If it's not highlighted, it means there's no trades on. Dark blue means there's trades on and no action taken. The orange means there's something happening I want to talk to you about on the video, and light blue means there's trades on and some action's been taken, like stops move and stuff like that. So we'll just go through the list quickly just to show you where we're at. After a couple of crappy weeks, at least we're starting to move in the right direction now, so it's all good. So you'll see my notes on the chart. Generally, the notes on the right refer to the latest trade. You'll see other notes on the left at times. All my trades are called at the time. So when this buy trade, for example, here was taken, I called it at the time, take a screenshot of the setup, then post those screenshots to the Facebook group, Telegram channels, and Matt from Family Man's Discord channel. So it's all very transparent, and I share those screenshots with everyone. So yeah, I like it puts a bit of pressure on me. Right. So normally we'll start off with a pair. I'll have the date, what the trade signal was, then my thoughts behind the trade signal, all right? So here's a buy signal here, taken on the open of the candle there, the 18th of May. So straight away it's gone against me, but now it's back up to where it should be and heading in the right direction. The stop loss is the red dotted line. You can see the MACD platinum was below the zero levels, heading up towards the zero level now. Remember I said buy when it's below, sell when it's above. So you look at market structure here, we've got lower highs and lower lows. So you would think the market's coming down a bit, but it seems to be, ideally, if it wants to continue up, we want to see it break this previous high here. I haven't got too much faith in this trade, but it was a valid signal. It's a slightly higher risk, as you can see on my notes there. All right, Aussie USD, it's highlighted in orange. There's a reason for that. I want to talk to you about it. All right, we're in a buy. The last trade was a buy here. We're still in this sell here, but we're not. We got stopped out. The stop was down here. So we got stopped out on Friday. So the sell's gone for an overall profit, which is good. This buy here is starting to go in the right direction. I've already moved my stop up tighter to here. But so that sell there's gone, and you can see I've stopped out in a couple of buys. You can see my notes over here. This was a buy here, I had to go. This was another buy, higher risk stuff because the trend is down obviously, but now we're starting to head to the right direction. Now prices hit that, not only hit the stops, hit that MAs, the moving averages. Hard to see that trend line there. These trend line, I'm just starting to draw it in early. It's potential hidden bearish divergence. I like my hidden divergence, as you all know. So what I'm expecting here is maybe price to continue up a bit and eventually roll over again. Who knows? But that's what I'm thinking. This green line is the 70-cent level, and the other one up here is the 75-cent level. They're big numbers on the Aussie. So I'll tidy up this chart once I finish the video, but I just leave the stopped out trades on to show you where we were. CAD Swiss is also highlighted in orange because my buy trade from here, which was the 14th of April, already closed half on that. We've just dragged the stop up and it's came down and it's just touched my stop there about 3 days in a row. It's definitely stopped out the buy for a small overall profit, which is good. The sell has been tightened up. I've already called a close a half and bring the stop down when price got down. When I closed 24th of May, so let's have a look. That candle there. So on the open of that candle there, we closed half, brought the stop down. In the meantime, it's continued down a bit. Again, I'm drawing my trend lines in for potential hidden bullish divergence. So yeah, that's the CAD Swiss. So we're looking good. Win on the buy, and we can't lose on the sell. So I'll tidy that chart up. Euro Swiss, we're in a sell here. Already dragged this 26th of May, closed half, and stop moved down. Ants biting. Damn. Right, so 26, let's have a look what the 26 was. So that's on the open there. Yeah, we closed half and brought the stop inside the entry, so we can't lose on the Euro Swiss, which is good. Euro Pound highlighted in orange for a reason. We were in a sell, and on the 24th of May, closed the trade completely. Called that in the group. Let's have a look at 24th, which would be in here somewhere. Closed it on the open there. So we took a small, very small profit. It proved to be a smart move for the day because it shot up later that day. And plus there was a green QMP filtered dot, which I would have closed the trade out anyway. And so we took a very small profit there. But the next couple of days it's come down again, so there's a potential for another sell there. You could maybe make an argument for a double top or something up there. A bit messy. It's a tough pair to trade at times, especially in the higher time frame, the daily charts. But we're out of that trade and we took a small profit, so we didn't lose, which is a good thing. Euro USD, a couple of things happening here. We're still in two sells from back here. You can see them there. There's one here, one here. There's one there, one there. Both stops are in the same place. Price is starting to move up towards those stops. In the meantime, we're in a buy from here after a couple of failed attempts. And where are we at? Still have two partial sells in. Yeah, 26th of May, closed half and moved stop up. So let's have a look at 26. And these are all called in my group. Yeah, so on the open here, which is about here somewhere, closed half, brought the stop up. the reason why price is at the moving averages, MACD platinum's through the zero level, and we've got potential hidden bearish divergence forming. So there's a potential this will just roll over to the downside and we'll take another sell. In the meantime, we won't lose on that buy. It'll be an overall break even if we get stopped out now. Pound CAD, I'm not thinking this is a good setup buy at all. It's been a tough pair to trade. Took a buy in here on a trend line break. You can read the notes there. It's gone up. It's struggling to get much higher. It looks like a couple of bearish days there. We've got this hidden bearish divergence forming. Hasn't been confirmed yet, but look, if you close that trade out, it wouldn't be the dumbest thing you've done. I'll tell you now. It's struggling a bit. So yeah, just keep an eye on that. I might give it one more day and I might close this trade. I'm not sure. Pound yen. Righto, what have we got here? We've got a sell still, which is this one up here. You can read the notes for that there. We've already closed half. Stops in underneath the entry level, so we can't lose there. And what am I crapping? And we're in a buy here and sort of struggling a bit. It's not going, it's a lot of sideways action. Up, down, up, down, up. It's grinding. MACD platinum still below the zero level. We'll just keep it. What I might do, I'll give it one more day. I might drag the stop right up to underneath these lows here just to reduce the risk. But at the moment, at least it's heading in the right direction slowly. New Zealand CAD, we're in a buy here. Going up towards the MAs. Again, I'll give this another day. The MACD platinum's through the zero level, so I should be taking some action. I might look at close. I was hoping to touch the moving averages, then I'd sort of close half and drag the stop right up. The trend, you can see the trend's down looking at moving averages. So, yeah, I'll just keep an eye on that, but we're heading in the right direction on that buy. New Zealand Japanese yen, buy in here. MACD platinum still below the zero level, which is good. It's going in the right direction. Yeah. You could move the stop up to in this area here somewhere if you want, but I'll give it a day just to see how we go. Right, we've got gold and we've got silver. Now, these are getting a little bit messy, these two, so I'm thinking I'm going to close one of them. If you look at the chart here, we're in a buy. It's going nowhere, sort of rolled over a little bit. We're starting to get some divergence formed here. These green lines, that's the 1800 level and that's a $2,000 level. So they're just big numbers on the gold. So I'm going to either close gold or close silver because you'll see in a minute they sort of move together. Look, that's gold. Now this is a silver chart. It's very similar. Same sort of divergence forming, showing a bit of weakness. Yeah, I might call a close on the gold. I'll let you know on Monday, but I'm thinking I'm going to close one of them. There's no need to, the risk is very similar on both. All right, let's have a look here. So that's gold and silver, both in buys and just in profit, both of them. Silver's probably a little bit healthier, but yeah, not much in them. US dollar, now these three, the US dollar, the US 500 and Bitcoin, just for more of interest to see how the technicals work on them. So this is US dollar. It's been, the last signal was a sell here. It's gone nicely down. Now coming down to the moving averages. You can see the moving averages below price there. And potential hidden bullish divergence forming. So hasn't been confirmed yet. US 500 stock market. This low is being taken out in here. And we've had the last signals a buy here. And it's heading up nicely towards. Now, if you're taking a buy in here, I'm not sure where your stop would have been. It'd probably be under this low somewhere, but you've probably been stopped down and that spike down. You could look for a re-entry if you wanted. But see where we go. We're at the moving averages. I'm not sure where it's going. Bitcoin is stuck around the 30,000 level. Hasn't really moved from there. The last signal was a buy, but now we've got a red dot in the MACD platinum above the zero level. Whether it rolls over or not, who knows? That's it. All right, that's it for the charts, guys. I'm sorry it's a quick, what am I doing? It's a quick video. I realise that, but I'm time constraints and I want to get it sort of uploaded sometime during my travels this morning. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I call all these trades in the Facebook group, the JAGfx Facebook group, Telegram channels, and Matt from Family Man's Discord channel. You're more than welcome to join any of those channels, and you can ask me any questions. I'm easily contacted by email, etc. Happy to discuss anything to do with trading. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe wherever you are, and I'll chat to you next time from Thailand. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks.